Hello, I am Kedar Khanulkar from Vector. In this video, I will show you how to do a factory reset for a Vector VN network interface to its default settings. The same is also mentioned in the related knowledge base article referenced in the description below. You can reset the Vector VN interface using the tool Vector Hardware Manager. Also, I will additionally show you the procedure to do the factory reset via the reset button. Before we start, please be aware that the reset will delete all individually set data, including IP address, time sync configuration, filters, and the configuration created in the Vector Ethernet device configuration. So please back up your data in advance if you need to restore it. Also be aware that if the VN interface is connected via Ethernet to computer via the so-called Ethernet host port connection, then the factory reset will also reset the default IP address. To perform the reset, we have connected a VN5620 device and I open the Vector Hardware Manager. Please ensure the Vector driver setup is updated. To do this, please find the link in the description below. You can see the VN5620 device successfully connected here. Now click on the toggle button to switch to configuration view. Click on the three dots for the device you want to reset. Proceed to click on reset to default. You can now see a warning symbol for Ethernet network configuration. Click on Ethernet network configuration and proceed to click on remove. Now proceed to deploy the configuration to complete the factory reset. Factory reset can also be done using the reset button. The devices which feature a reset button are listed in the knowledge base article. This method must be used for the devices which don't have a USB connection to your local PC. Power off the device by unplugging the power supply. Wait at least 10 seconds. Push the reset button with a paper clip or such. And while the reset button is pushed, power on the device. Release this reset button after 3 seconds. Now wait until the power LED is solid green and then you can try to connect again to your system. I hope this demonstration helps you to get your VN interface up and running. Thank you.